can see him, my oldest enemy. What the hell are you doing here? Hey you, just figure out.